Welcome back to another video. As you've seen from the last video, the steering wheel so on trim was an absolute disaster, total fail. Don't bother with one of them. So I thought, while I've got the steering wheel off, while I'm waiting to decide where I'm going to go and get it retrimmed, if I'm going to get it retrimmed, I thought I might as well just have a go at trying to just restore it and make it look a lot better. And I'll show you how bad it is at the moment. So at the moment, this is the steering wheel. And as you can see, it's not in the best shape. It's got all these marks on it, pretty much all around it. Big mark there, all around there. So I'm just going to try and see if I can actually make this look a lot better than what it did. While it's off, I might as well do something with it. So I'll show you the process I'm going to do and see if it comes out any better. It might not, might be another fail, but let's give it a go. So first of all, we'll give it a good clean with some alcohol, just to get anything, any contamination or anything off it. I mean, look at the state of that already. So basically, we want to go around the whole steering wheel and all the leather until we're not getting any more of that. Because when we come to dye it, we obviously don't want the dye just sticking to dirt. Oh, look at the state of it. Now this bit's not for the faint-hearted. Just gonna use a little bit of sandpaper on those little scratches and stuff, just to flatten them down. You see it taking the dye off already, but we need to do this because we need the dye to have a good surface to stick to. And you haven't got to go mad at this stage, but just keep it lubed up. I'm just using leather cleaner as a lubricant for this, and you can see it all coming off. So just go around the whole wheel with this. Like I said, just concentrate on your sections. Get a clean microfiber. So I've sanded all the steering wheel down. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to use some leather cleaner and apply it to the wheel before we put the dye on. So we've got a nice clean surface. So this is the dye I'm going to be using. It says sponge it on and then use a hairdryer to dry it. You might need a few coats. So we'll have a go on this. It's black. It also says do it on a test patch first, but we pretty much just need to do it now. Otherwise that steering wheel can't go back on the car looking like that. It's a bit of a state. So it has to work really. Otherwise it's off to the trimmers. So we get a sponge. And let's see what happens. And obviously just keep on building up the layers. I mean, look at that already. I mean, that's just one little pass. And look, it's looking pretty good already. I'm hoping it's going to look pretty brand new by the time we finish. So you think it was looking like that. Now it's looking like that. Make sure you spread it evenly. So that is the steering wheel all re-dyed now. Looking pretty good. Looking near enough brand new, I think. All I've got to do is just clean up, obviously, the bits of trim that I got off. The bits of dye that I got on the trim. Then I think should be good to go back in the car. So it's all finished. So this is what we're left with. So I even done the airbag as well. Really pleased with how that's come out. It's come out a lot better than what I thought it would, and I'm quite happy to put that back on the car now until I decide whether I'm going to retrim it or not. It's come out so good that I might actually even just leave it now. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.